Hey love bugs, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley if you're tuning in for the first time, and today we're going to be doing a closure wig install. Now this is a glueless closure wig courtesy of Recool. I went ahead and bonded it down a little bit, and then I moved it and shifted because you'll see in the video it's giving a little bit of 5 head. I like a little bit of a 4 head. 3 to 4 head with my lace wigs, but this one is a beautiful short curly loose wave wig. It gives grown and sexy. It gives a vibe. You gotta smell good, and you gotta have a good presence and aura about you to be able to slay this one. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the video. As I mentioned, this one is beginner friendly, and it is a closure, and it is glueless, so it is everything that we love: simple, easy, and for the girls who don't have a lot of time and maybe even not a lot of experience. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, and I'm just trying to find my zhuzh and see how I like it. I think I like it like this the most. So if you're interested in seeing how we got this look and just, hearing all the tea and the vibe, keep on watching. Okay, love bugs, also before we get started, I wanted to show you the second option for this look. I did go ahead and just part on this side, add an ouchless scrunchie, and make it into a little bit of a pebbles and bam bam situation, giving Flintstone vibes. And again, I'm having it glueless right now, and I just wanted to show you it's not glued down, and it lays perfectly. So you definitely have options and versatility with this one. I love the look and vibe like so. Of course, I'm gonna go in and clean it up, but before we get started, I just wanted to show you really quickly the second option for this look. Now let's jump right into the install.
Found myself inside all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation. Wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel it. What is left? I've been thinking about us and the things you say. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to.
I haven't seen you in a long time. Almost been a year since you broke my heart and tore me apart. Oh, yeah. I've been working on myself, trying to move on. Hooking up with someone else, trying to forget and get you out of my head. No, I deleted all your messages, cause it only reminds me of the past. But you're still drunk texting me when you're lonely. I don't know why you keep calling me on my phone. Thought I was clear, I'm not your friend, I'm not the only. You think I'm the same, but you don't even know me. So I don't know why you keep calling me. What makes you think I would go back? Why would I wanna try again? You're not listening. No, you keep saying you changed, but we both know people don't change it. It's time to let me go. Why won't you leave me alone? I deleted all your messages, cause it only reminds me of the past. But you're still drunk texting me.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't
Also, I thought it would be an amazing idea to get a new opera system. Did my nails, and they're actually like coffin shape, like a medium coffin shape. I bought these little bears from Amazon. Thought it would be a great idea to put these on, and I hate them. Now, this is something that I never get done at like the nail salon, so I don't even know what I was thinking or why. And they're like both, oh, I got one off. I got one off. I'm gonna get them off, and I'm gonna just take them off tonight because it is a hot mess and it's impossible to freaking do anything to my hair with them on. Getting tissue out of the flushable wipes, just everything has been a hot mess in the last few hours since I've done them. So this right here ain't for me. But anyways, today I teamed up with Recool to bring you this beautiful wig. So this one is their Glueless Short Bouncy Loose Wave wig. You can get it in a 5x5 closure or a 13x4 undetectable lace wig. Obviously, I have the 5x5 closure, which to me is the best option because it is easy to install. It is easy. And as you guys seen, it fit glueless. The only reason I added the adhesive is just to make it melt. Sometimes I feel like when a wig fits glueless, even though it sits on your head very flat and flush, it doesn't melt every single time. And so I wanted to give the melt look. Also wanted to add baby hair. Sometimes when you do glueless and then you add baby hair on top, the fact that it can slightly move or shift, even if it fits snug, kind of will mess up and make your baby hair a little bit more messy. So I did just want to go ahead and make sure that, you know, everything was gonna stay good to go. Now this one here is super fun. I kind of wish I would have switched it to a center part. Also, I feel like here I kind of like straightened it out at the last minute, and it kind of looked better when it was a little bit more full right there. So I'm just going to continue to tease it and play with it until I get my desired look. I do like it with this side being behind the hair. Again, it's hard to even do that. And then I love the way the hairline turned out with the options that I chose. I do have the hairline looking a little bit more messy, but that just makes it look a little bit more natural, I guess. And you can kind of like lift it up and give it some height too. Let's see what that looks like. I think you gotta just play with it and find your zhuzh. I'm gonna play with it a little bit more, but before I do, let me show you the goodies. So I already showed you the box that the wig came in, but also in the package was this dust bag. It does have their logo on it and all of that. And inside you did get your free goodies. You got your blue rat silk comb, like an aqua color, blue edge brush, wig caps, burgundy bonnet. Then you also have some nice thick full false lashes. Now as far as the hair itself, obviously this one was super easy to install because it's a closure. When it all else fails, a closure wig is going to get you right and tight, especially if you are a beginner. Just quicker to install, easier to maintain, easier to maintain, just all around, just a more simple process. You don't really need to go to a salon to get a closure wig install, whereas a frontal, sometimes you need it to be melted. Again, and this one is like when you can put it on like a hat. It literally fits like a glove, so you don't have to bite it down. Again, I just wanted to do a little bit more of a melted look along the hairline, but even now I'll kind of show you. You see it's bonded down. I'll unlift it because it's a given 5'6" head, and like I can bring it forward and it still lays flat and flush. Yeah, it was given too much for a head for me. Some people like that, but not I. Yeah, I don't have any complaints about this wig. Be sure to check the description box for our direct link, all the details to everything we used in this video and all of that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!